Choose Lift, Part 2, Pure Entertainment and Education. Disclaimer, watch at your own risk. This video is not for the weak, sensitive, or easily offended. Everything that is said is half serious, half facts, and 100% better than your trainer's advice. If you get mad, drop a comment so we know our work here is done. You're welcome. Now sit back, shut up, and enjoy the show.
I'm actually drunk right now.
Arnold used to take a shot of vodka with his pre.
But you ever seen like freaking pump while you're drunk? Yeah. Or even just while you're buzzed? It's dialed. I was not prepared for this, not gonna lie, boys. I forgot. Well, actually, I didn't forget. I've been thinking about it all day, but...
Well, we get more tail content. Because Tail's drunk.
I'm actually drunk right now. I'm excited.
He's taking 3. Put it down your esophagus.
Should we just finish the thing tonight? Just not sleep and just crank the gym?
Just like need their help or something.
Just do therapy.
Chat. If you're racist to everybody, are you racist? If you're indiscriminately discriminate, what does that make you? Like if I just hate everyone,
Holy shit.
then technically that's just, you know,
Fair game.
it's fine.
That's just normal.
It's fair game.
That's
Except
like
they need to make a powerful slur against white people.
Because all we have is like cracker and like
And that doesn't
gringo.
Yeah, that doesn't have any like punch to it. Let's go work out, dude. This isn't a yap sesh, this is a freaking gym sesh.
This thing has powered us for the past 5 minutes.
doing roulette. Whoever quits first is a bitch.
Adderall.
I'll take a scoop for you then.
Is it tequila upper or downer?
Upper.
Cancels out, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Dealing with a bunch of retards right now. Where are we? The blind are leading the blind.
Listen.
Hi. Almost said done. Pull up. You're not gonna superset? So what? The rolls.
Not even freaking a boat, it's a road, dude.
No, because you're jacked. What are you talking about?
Oh, what the fuck?
Get it up. Don't make me stick my fingers up your ass.
I've been working out too much, dude. My muscles don't work. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we got Enich, or what's her name?
David Goggins.
David Goggins. He's gonna be teaching us how to do. What are we gonna do?
Workout.
If you live in a third world country, sometimes you have to escape and move to America. This guy's done it, so he's gonna teach us how to row a boat. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do boat rowers and wall climbers. But first you gotta row your boat to a brighter future, and then next you gotta climb the wall into America. Some people's life is just this. They go to the gym and just talk shit to a camera, and then they get paid like millions of dollars, bro.
That's the life. That's the dream.
American dream. Become a brain dead influencer, contribute nothing to society except brain rot, and look really freaking sexy naked.
Look at this. Look at this. Imagine being that lean one day. Now pull ups. Double scoop and triple scoop. Greatest combo of all time.
Hey, Putin, Vladimir, what's up, bro?
This guy's got the Russian arms, the crazy Russian arms. Imagine if he took steroids.
Can you believe leg day is we're only 2 leg days away from 2026.
You're built. You're like, I don't know.
Spider monkey.
Yeah.
Skinny as fuck.
No. Shredded. Like a spider monkey.
Dude, this is the wall into America. And on the other side, there's a good job with benefits. Maybe even a green card if you're good.
And a wife that'll get me citizenship?
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm that shit.
Yes, racism.
No, racism is bad.
Don't condone
Hit the gym. Love your wife.
Don't beat her.
Just be a good person. Love everyone. Except for some people. And hit the gym.
Fala que é braba, vamos ver se tu aguenta. Sequência vai tomar,
CrossFit. But we could turn this channel to a self-improvement channel.
What do people want to know about self-improvement? How to get a big back? That's self-improvement in
I had
itself.
something in mind, but
Look.
I forgot.
Look.
What I was gonna say is take Adderall and then your thoughts will be clear. Chad, should I take steroids? Let me know.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Your mom.
You're not. Do something with your life. Do something with your life. We sell bug spray. Chad films. He films stuff, and he's really good at it. And now he's on a boat. And you're not. So just do something. You'll figure it out. I promise. This is the beginning of the first step. Next, you gotta learn how to row. Once you're on the boat, learn how to row, and then you go places in the boat. Now I'm gonna show you that row.
Wise words by Teo. Listen closely. Take you far in life. 3 scoops of pre, bruh. Next, so either 2 options. We either go into biceps or we do like lateral movements of
Biceps. Biceps for the guys. You know how to say it.
horizontal movements of this way, of back. Straight bro curls then.
I like it straight, dude. Pause. Don't clip that. When I curl, I look like fucking anorexic. I look malnourished.
Shut the fuck up. Got them 40s. 40s so you can get big.
40s for the shorties.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. You know what we should do? We should run away to Mexico and just take roids.
Knock your ass. Knock yourself out on the floor.
Three scoops of pre is the new normal. 900 milligrams of caffeine in one sitting within like 3 minutes. Done. Okay, back.
I packed out the whole damn sprint, there's too many bitches around. Started this shit with my killers, all stood on BS, no way that I'm pushing them out. I ran this shit up 10 times, we really done ran shit down. Fuck the people who painted them pictures on my dick cause a young nigga shining. Fuck nigga man cause I'm lit, you could die then. I got some real deal spillers behind me. Take a bitch out to eat, she won't dine in. That black sand right outside it. Basic bitch, she wanna fuck, tell her try again. I don't be having no manners, know it's some 10 that caught it, I ride in. I can't get caught out in traffic. Drake on the hip, I don't think it's trap me. Last nigga play head advantage. Walk in the club, young as hell, fuck a ID. Every time I touch a bag, it arouse me. Niggas be claiming the smoke till the shit get hot. Niggas leave when this shit get cloudy. One of the odds got know why they saying this since I was somewhere OT when they found it. And they ain't never seen no bitch I need Vaseline just because I ain't had shit. And I sip lean to cover my demons, I'd probably be dead when they find me.
Killing me, getting my way, bitch, I'm grinding. Think I don't see the shit, think they can blind me. Slide on the hall, we be shooting at the little one. But the little one be having that fire. Talk down on the phone, we make sure you die.
So how do I do this?
Like that, literally like that. And squeeze this. At the bottom, just like pull it tight. Yeah, nice. That's fucking nuts. You can see every muscle on him.
Dude, Literally 90% of this film is just gonna be me moaning into the mic. Bro, so you're not working hard enough. You're not passing out after your set, dude. Close?
Yep. It's the last day. You can check the operation timing outside. It's 8 o'clock.
Finish our list.
No, I cannot.
Super
allow,
quick.
bro. I cannot allow. It's already 5 minutes late.
Look, my pump is.
I thought it was at 9.
It's 8 today. You can check the operational hour outside. Today is the last day.
Let's just finish our workout. He smells good. I'm not even gonna cap. But I'm not gonna listen to him.
I'm feeling so good right now.
Oh, who's alarm?
Nice. You know what time it is? He only calls us Jimmy's close.
Because he's shirt racist.
Chat, what should we eat for dinner? Like 1 for steak or 2
For chicken.
3 for Enoch.
Whoa.
Custom made that words and this right here for a different excursion. Bow, bow, let's have it. I can't stop having it off. I'm stuck in a habit. Yeah, red wine filling my cup. I'm a vino bandit. Yeah, my surname is what it is. But I thought I planned it. I'm too outlandish. Anyone don't like drums, man, I don't speak their language. Half of the team in laughing stage. Don't mean Tiffany Haddish. Bitch is the baddest art. Someone to me and my mother and Mrs. to Paris. Going away when the parties are done. 5 figure last month, don't start with a 1. Come a long way, but hardly begun. Yeah, get a wheel up off your mum. Wheel it against it, no, not done. Yeah, I'm the prettiest son of a gun. This one here is high as it gets. Don't fly too close to the sun. Bow, bow.
Stay home.
When raving, next day chasing pavements. Just to the bag in public. I'll never be famous. My guy trying to pattern me up. I don't know what my name is. One too many.
Maybe like lap man.
Pour me another.
At least
my girl said I've had too much. I tell her I love her. Get into bed, I'm stepping up walls. She's still in the cover. Stupid o'clock and I can't find Ubers. End up belling my mother.
7. Come on, 2 more.
Yeah. Bow, bow. Cool.
One more.
Vino bandit. Yeah, me and K Motion's working. That's a cheat code anthem. Yeah, me and one hits on hits. Me and K both have them. Yeah, youngsters right in the post. I think Timo banged them.
Yeah.
Vino bandit. Yeah, me and K Motion's.
It's that way, boy. Oh, just quit. Call it a day. Call it a day. Be tiny. Stay small. Stay average. Be a bitch. Yeah, just quit now. Quit now. Last one. No more. Call it a day. No more. Come on. Last one. Then you should quit. Don't touch it. That's it? Yeah.
Bro, I think I'm actually losing my sanity.
Yes, you can. Brachialis. We said we were gonna do it. And then we'll superset it with traps. We love that. Keep going. Don't be a bitch. It's 35 pounds. 35 pounds. It's like as much as you can curl, boy. Keep going. 5 more. Come on. Brachialis. Holy smoke.
Dad, you don't do traps on me. That's not fair. I'm just gonna be a bulldog.
I am a bulldog.
You wanna be freaking big? Traps.
Heart attack mode. activated.
Oh, Chad, he's cooked. Bro, that's like fucking 400 beats per minute.
You know, Lightning McQueen said one more time.
Speed. Chow.
I am speed.
You know what he said? Chow. That's what he said.
Kachiga.
That's fucking green, dude. We don't fucking. Bro, I can't even see my back, so it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Look how aesthetic my traps are. What are you talking about?
Bro, the only aesthetic traps are tiny traps. I'm done.
One more set.
One target right there. Not right there. You're gonna look like what you want to look like. It's a burrito. You're gonna look like a rhomboid. Trapezoid? I don't know geometry, dude.
Nah, I think these are aesthetic as fuck.
Look at you, dude. You're like a fucking one of those things.
My heart's gonna stop. A million beats a minute. The price we paid to be Lightning McQueen.
Ka-chow.
Kachiga.
That's where.
And elbows up. Okay. Last bit. Huge. 3 feet time. Is it locked from the side? It's not locked. We could get a midnight lift in.
Should we invent a swear for white people?
Alright, chat. Welcome to dinner with retards. Should have gotten steak, so it goes straight to the biceps. Get your pure protein. Is that chicken parm?
Yeah, and rice.
That's awesome. That's like my favorite type of chicken ever. I always eat myself sick when I find chicken parm.
Bro, this has got to be the most dialed dinner of all time, chat. Look at this. Look at that. That's 3 pieces of watermelon, 1 piece of cantaloupe, 2 steaks, and some Parmesan cheese, bro.
And you know what? We're so smart, me and Teo, that we both got the same exact meals.
He's not smart enough to get Parmesan cheese. He doesn't care about his gut microbiome.
My 3 scoops of Pre.
See? You think I'm retarded, but I'm actually smart. I know about science and shit. Do you get cantaloupe?
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, that's just cope. That's coping, bro. This is how you make your dick bigger.
I need mine smaller. It's already this big.
Like and subscribe if you liked us being autistic and caffeinated. And you want to see us eat more meat.
Almost dying of overstim of Pre.
Big shout out to chat. Leave likes in the comments. Show some love to chat in the chat. And like and subscribe if you want to see my nuts.